Keith's here.
Wait, you were?
Mama. Say
They're not your
cheese.
presents. They're Tyler's presents.
Everything shall be caught in 4K today.
You gotta wait.
What are you doing?
No, but I know how to not break a window.
What up, people? What up with your doubt? You get taller every time I see you.
What's that? What's that?
What up, fellow yellow?
You like a baby kid, dog.
I am a baby kid, bro. What you talking about?
Good job, Dill. Water? Okay. Cute girl, the camera loves you.
You want to put it on? Yeah, you can't mess with it. You just gotta go do your thing.
Yeah.
Good? All right, you should be good to go.
Landon. I'll go, Kevin. Hi, Kara. Hi, guys. What is that? What are you? Hi.
Let's see what you're looking at. You're looking at the ground a little bit. We're gonna pick you up right there. Is that fine?
Yeah. I need to go to the bathroom real
Go
quick.
potty. All right, this is an easy on snap. Just like that. Go ahead. I bet you got some good footage of that. Right into the mud. Okay, it got out a little bit. Don't crank it.
Swing easy, dog.
Oh yeah, don't hit that tree. Nice, not in the sand. Oh!
There you go, Hondo. Good swing.
Very good swing, bro. Don't you? Yeah, good shit, Hondo.
There you go, Keith. Go. Ooh.
Dang it! Right over the hill. Nice hit. Very nice. Nice hit, boy. Let's go.
Roll up there.
All right, Carl. All right, Carl. Mud. Right in some mud. Ah. Where's it going? Nice hit. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, Hondo. Ah. Ah. Ah, I'm sloshing. Nah, I ain't no pump bitch. I can't be no pump bitch on camera neither. Let's go. I'll take it. Ah! Stepped in the puddle. My toes. Nice. Mmm. You can do nothing but put it in Hondo's way. Mm-hmm. That one gave you a little pucker up, didn't it?
Oh, I did it. Not a par though. I'll take it. First par of the day. Time to do some yay. Oh.
Time to do some yay.
Slow down your pace.
All right, same thing.
Yeah, Benford.
Get some. I'm gonna give it a little more pepper than that last one.
Oh,
Right into the mud, bro. It's so muddy out here. There you go. Son of a bitch, bro.
damn.
That's
That would
golf.
have been a good ass hit too.
That's golf. That was a good ass hit, just not. Yep. The bad thing is it hit a little branch. It didn't even hit no big branch. It should have sliced right through all them fucking leaves.
That was beautiful. It was going right on the green too.
I agree. Go ahead, Mr. Mulligan. Whoa, that tree is very unforgiving. I mean, that's better than the other one. There it is. Oh, you gonna slosh with me? Nope, you did. It's still on the side of that hill. That's gonna be rough.
Better than being right to the side of this.
Don't forget your ball, though. Let's go. Ooh, that would have popped up. Instead of out. Blew my opportunity for a par, just like that. Fighting for par. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel called Fighting for Par.
Actually, it sounds like a great idea.
That's not bad at all.
All the anger issues in there. I never saw it come down.
I never seen it come. It might have landed like something and like the dead tree branches. It might have just landed in there and never came out.
Yeah, I was just saying, I never saw it drop down out of that tree, bro.
Seriously?
Seriously. There you go. Hey, that came out nicely. Ah. I should have putted that.
Oh, God.
Just keep rolling.
Like, bro, come on.
Hate it here. Just want to go home.
Piece of shit.
You gotta be kidding me. You can't be kidding me.
No, it's not that far. There you go, good swing. You right at it. Back.
Oh, over the hill.
Good swing. There it is, Keith. There it is, boy. Watch out.
Swing.
Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. Got a little something there.
Putt. Good. Oh.
Dang. I thought it was going to go in. Dirty. Yeah. It would have rolled further if your ball didn't have that big old splotch of mud on it.
Well, it might not have took the path it took if that ball didn't have that big old splotch of mud. So I'm gonna say that it was meant to be. Okay.
Easy, first par. Good job.
That is also very kinky. Nice hit. Great hit, Carl. Get up there. Oh, it rolled back down. and chunked all that mud.
That's not what we want to see.
PJ. Way off to the left.
Got some play to do.
I let it stick there though.
Not too bad though. You got some places. Could have killed someone. So.
Fuck 'em. Good thing it's wet today.
That would have been the worst outcome, so we're good.
Ooh, get up there, get up. Yes! That's fucking beautiful, Hondo. Good fucking swing, my boy.
Thank you, sir.
That's what's up, my boy.
Good spade.
Bitch. Get in there, bitch. Get in your hole where you belong. Carl Parson. Nice. Carl Parsons here to stay.
Baby.
He didn't book a motherfucking rental. He bought that bitch.
No, I didn't mean to pick your own shit.
Pick your own shit up, he said.
I was gonna pick him up either way. Whether you picked him up or not.
One way or the other.
I mean no disrespect in the most disrespectful way. Okay. I guess let's see if we can get 9 holes.